Good morning, it's David with the Rainman Company. We're out here checking heads. Just got this system going at this house. But what I wanted to show you, we finally got the truck wrapped. So I want to show my truck wrap, see how everybody likes it. So when y'all see us going down the road, got lightning bolts on there, the website. Check this out. Lightning bolts, website, and Rainman. Got a tree on there, waterfall. There's a phone number. Got the website and everything on the hood and the Rainman. What it says. Turned out nice. The back. Alright, so when you see us go down the road, you'll know it's us. Check out our website, the Rainman SC. Have a good day.